Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elly M, aka Tropiical Punch, and if you didn't know, well, now you know. First of all, happy Pride. By the time this goes up, it will be Pride. So happy Pride to all my beautiful kings and queens in the LGBTQ plus community. But yes, happy Pride Month to everyone. Can't wait to celebrate all month long. I am going on vacation in June, so I might not pop out as many looks for YouTube as I want to, but I'm sure as hell will be popping them out on my social media, so be sure to follow me there. You can find me on any social media there. Anyway, so this look is not your traditional Pride look. It's not your traditional just straight rainbow. So I wanted to do a look that incorporated almost every color in the rainbow, but put them together in a way that's very glamorous. This is like borderline drag-ish because these lashes are just super extra. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get into the glam. Extra, read all about it. Pride look. See you guys. Alright everybody, let's get started. Brows done. Boom. No, you already knew. Alright, but anyway, to start off, we're gonna go into the Crayon case, the matte book eyeshadow palette, because you know the color, the pigments bomb. Let's get it poppin'. I'm gonna start off with the pink shade from the matte book, and we're gonna just use a regular brush and pack that into the inner portion of the crease. We're gonna be using a lot of different colors, so get ready. Out a little bit, I'm going to take the orange shade from the same palette, and I'll be blending out the edge up towards the brow bone. And I'll just be going back and forth, putting back some of that pink to make sure it's nice and vibrant, because that's what we do over here. That's what we do. So now with a blending brush, I'm going to take the purple, the deep purple shade, and I'm going to start packing that on the outside of the crease, meeting in the center of the crease, and blend slightly between the pink and the purple. Then I'm going to be taking the kind of periwinkle sky purplish blue shade and blending out the edge of that deep purple. We just want to make sure we get as many colors in there as possible. So then going back in with a fluffy blending brush, just blending out the edge of that deep purple up into that periwinkle blue, just to make sure we have a nice soft transition. You guys, we all have this moment where you get that call mid-makeup and you know that the tea is piping hot, or bae is just like saying everything you want to hear. So you have to have that little moment. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease with my concealer, and I'm going to do a full cut crease. As you see here, I don't really know how to explain this, guys, so I apologize. I just hope you guys get the drift. And I like to go in with a second layer just to make sure no colors are kind of peeking through. Now that same purple we have on the outer corner, I'm going to take that with the same blending brush and start kind of blending it inwards on top of that concealer. We just want to make sure that outer corner matches the outer corner crease color. And as you guys can see, you see the color, you see the pigment, you know it's real. What's good in the hood, okay? All the colors on my eyes today are from the matte book, so as you guys see, I'm putting down the baby blue shade on the inner corner, then moving into the green shade, and then going into that deep green, and just gonna do a little bit of blending work. What I'm doing now is I'm applying some glitter primer almost, and I'm gonna put down my Tropiical Punch pigments right on top of those colors. So there's a green shade and there's a blue shimmer shade, just because we need sparkle. I need sparkle. You guys know it's me, it's your girl Tropiical Punch, and it wouldn't be me without some freaking sparkles, so we had to put it. Now I know you see it, I know you see it, it's like bam, bam. I know you want some. You chewing on, I don't know the words, but something bubble gum. And if y'all didn't sing that with me, I'm hurt. Moving on. Taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, I'm lining my waterline and my lower lash line. I use this to have my eyeshadow stick nice and vibrant. You know the deal. From the matte book, I'm taking the orange shade now with a small, precise brush and applying that over the white pencil on my waterline. This will give the waterline a little pop, a little oomph, a little ah, a little ooh, ah, ah, ah. Rat-a-tat-tat. Skit, scat, scat. Just all types of extra. We want some oomph. And you could substitute this with yellow or whatever. This look is to be interpreted however you like. You can do a reverse of colors if you wanted to. So underneath, on top of that white pencil, I'm going in with the yellow shade on the inner portion and blending that outwards mid-eye. And this is why I like to put the white down so that those colors really stick and stay nice and bright. Outer corner, I'm going in with the medium blue shade, and we're going to blend that towards the yellow and also blend it in towards the out towards the purple. We're going to do a smidgen of liner, something light. You already know the Crayon case Line Me liner, cutest packaging in the world. Super, you did that one tea, she slayed that, and you guys know. So I'm not going to do a wing, I'm just going to apply some liner to just add some definition to my eyes and lashes. Okay, let me tell you about these lashes, okay, quick. These are in the style Hustler, and I write you wanted drama, honey? She said, hello, I'm here to party. Well, she just said, hello, I'm here, and you're gonna look at me. Boom. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation, and the color is to be determined, and I'm just going to blend that out with a brush. I will put the color on the screen because it is escaping my mind right now. And I don't like this better than the original liquid foundation, but for today, she will suffice. And I'm using my lovely Becca Kabuki flat top brush, and this, honey, bomb. I'm going to go into my Crayon Case Concealer, the highlighter concealer, and I'm going to use that for some added coverage underneath. All the numbers and names will be on screen. I apologize, guys. I go through so many makeup looks. It's so hard to remember the colors off bat. Always let my concealer dry down a little bit before blending it out. And I'm just going to take this angled flat top kabuki brush and blend it out to perfection. Now this is very glam, very dramatic, and I know it's not your typical boom, rainbow, in your face look, but I had to do it. I wanted to do something different, something a little bit more glamorous. So now I'm just taking my Airspun setting powder really quickly anywhere that I put that concealer. And then we're going to go into our foundation powder. Mine is by Ruby Kisses. And just apply that all over our foundation and blend away or brush away our setting powder. Now this is an OG powder. I swear I think I've been using this powder for about 10 years. Got it from the beauty supply store back in high school and have been rocking with it ever since. And somebody could sue me, but this is my jam, okay? And that's that. It's always gonna be that. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm going to dip into this last warmer shade. It has a little bit more of a orangey tint, which I like. And, you know, skiddly diddly do, right where I typically apply cheeks, nose, temples, just something. Now going in, we're going to take some blush. And y'all know I don't do blush, but this look called for the extra, and extra you go get. So just a light flush of pink to bring some color to the face, and I'm not mad at it. Do I like it? Do I F with it? Are we? No, but I like it. It's cool. Spritz, spritz, spritz. More spritz. Shower in that shit, okay? Now I'm just highlighting my inner corner with another one of my pigments, and you can pick really any color. I picked something a little bit icy, something, you know, just to make the inner corners pop, which you have to do. I mean, you have to. For lips, it's gonna be a typical nude, boom, because these eyes are so dramatic and I cannot steer away from nude lips. They are my life. I am addicted and I have no shame. So for the lip pencil, this I literally got from the dollar store and I have no regrets. And I'm gonna take, you know, the OG gloss, the one, the only Crayon case, Clean Kisses, and we're gonna get it poppin'. Perfect nude lip, done, boom, bam, bim. Then I'm gonna top it with a topper gloss, something with a little bit of glitter, just, you know, nothing like super crazy, just like, let's just make them look extra juicy. Now we're gonna take this insane glow cane and we're gonna highlight these cheeks because, listen, you can't have an eye bold like this and not be blind enough. Like, you just can't. It doesn't make sense. If you do the math, 2 + 2 will give you 5, and that don't make sense. So let's make it make sense. You gotta add that glow cane. Point blank period. Like, y'all didn't have to ask. Y'all knew. And I know you see it. So this is the final look, but let me show you the completed. Bam. So this is a very dramatic, glamorous pride look. This is not your typical full-on rainbow in your face, but I wanted to show you guys something a little different, something you guys could wear to a pride parade, something you could wear out for an event during Pride Month, whatever you guys want. I wanted to give you guys a different alternative, a different little spin, and we'll have some super cliche pride looks coming your way soon. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a pleasure. It's been a joy. I had fun. Hope you did too, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.
SoniaBeats.com. Purchase beats.